Hi, good evening, everyone. Mr. Rupam and Mr. Bhagwati, are you here?
Yes.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon. The right time, I guess. Let us start the session, and people are on joining. So let's add them on the process itself, and we can give a short recap at the end. Is that fine?
Yes.
All right. Okay. So a hearty welcome to everyone. This is the first webinar of SAP into Rajalakshmi Solutions Private Limited. Firstly, I would like to introduce Rajalakshmi Solutions Private Limited. And Rajalakshmi Solutions Private Limited is into 4 different sectors. Firstly, SAP Business One, a key for every business solution, and Tally, an accounting software, Bitrix, CRM management software, and Skill India, a project which is a government project which is completely concerned for students' education. So this is the 4 different sectors where we are working, and the different solutions we are into sales, solutions, as well as customization. So now today we are on to the first webinar of SAP Business One, and we do have 2 different speakers here. One is Mr. Rupam and the next is Mr. Bhagwati. So a hearty welcome to Mr. Rupam as well as Mr. Bhagwati. So Mr. Rupam is an external speaker and Mr. Bhagwati is an internal speaker. And before the quick start, I would like to give you instructions. Firstly, request everyone to please mute your calls such that we'll respect and will give a space to the speakers. And the second thing is request you to please listen to the speakers first, and then if you have any questions, do comment in the comment box, because at the end of this session, we will be having an interaction session too, wherein you can discuss your doubts through a voice, or else you can comment in the comment box also. And the next thing is we do have a YouTube channel, so do subscribe our YouTube channel. We will be recording this call and we will be updating it into the YouTube channel also. So do subscribe and do follow our upcoming as well as the past and the current webinars and events which is going in our organization. So now the right term, let's enter into the presentation. So Mr. Rupam, I request you to please introduce yourself first and please start up with the presentation. And it's over to you.
Okay, thank you very much, Deepa. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Rupam Saxena. I'm managing SAP Business One channel for Unicorp Technology. I'll be with SAP approx 8 years. I have already completed. Now, so SAP, I hope, if you are heard about ERP, then it's a brand name start from the SAP. So, this is a global product. Of course, we have a competitor. So like Microsoft, Oracle, and many companies is there in terms of the ERP. But yes, SAP is the largely number one, and we have around 35% shares in the market. I'm talking about India. I'm not talking globally. If globally, if you are looking for, then around 65% market share with us for ERP point of view. So as of now, we are talking about SAP Business One. I hope everyone, I am audible for everyone. And the screen is clear, right? Right, Deepa ma'am?
Yes, it's very clear, no problem.
Okay. So I'll start with SAP Business One. So SAP Business One, very affordable system for mid-size and the small-size enterprises, and it's cover all the functionality about finance, purchase, sales, your inventory, MRP. So all the functionality will cover it up. Apart from this, modules, we have multiple modules also, like resource management, capacity management, project management, that is also there. In terms of the backend we are talking about, so generally public is aware about the SQL only. Now we have 2 databases as of now. One is SQL, another one is HANA. So this particular solution is integrated with any kind of database. We are okay for the Oracle also, we are okay for SQL. HANA, it's the latest technology where it's inbuilt by SAP only. So these kind of functionality will provide you. Even in HANA, inbuilt BI is also there. So you can generate graphical report based on the requirement wise. That is also there in the system. Then design or the fixability or maybe this particular solution very simple and user friendly. and globally, actually, if you have any entity or maybe any company, those who are interlinked with your organization, so that particular solution is also available. Even this particular solution is into 20 different languages. We already cover it up. 43 localization means we now it's actually 70 plus localizations there where we already implemented SAP Business One with different verticals, and its solution is auto customizable based on the requirement wise. We will cover it up, and this particular solution is into different languages also. Of course, in India we follow the English. We don't follow Hindi and other local languages, but in India we follow English. Other than that, like Germany we have German phrase. In China we have Chinese language that is there in the system. So this is integrated solution. So if you have any kind of third-party tool, like any Salesforce, any other software like machine learning something, you will integrate with this particular.
Sorry for the interruption, Mr. Rupam. Mr. Bhagwati, you have the access of controlling mute button, so you can just check on to the noise button, and you can just click on to the mute.
Yes.
Please. Mr. Rupam, please carry on.
Yeah. So this is a major module where we're talking about the SAP Business One, or we can compare with the other products. So always start with financial. So financial start with a chart of account. We can say that chart of account is the heart for this particular product. If your chart of account is very much clear, then you can get any kind of report in the system. So like related to your balance sheet, your asset management sheet, your fixed deposit sheet, everything you get from the system. And in terms of the financial, we have all the functionality. We'll cover it up in SAP Business One. I'm talking about the finance. Now come to the sales. In the sales, we have couple of parts is there. One is starting from CRM. So it's a we called in SAP Business One, we called the opportunity. So here all the stages we will define it based on the requirement wise, and we will manage your lead or maybe inquiry through the stages. So you can define n number of stages. Normally in sales process, it will start from the inquiry, then we'll share the detail about our product, then we'll come for the demonstration, then quotation sharing. That kind of stages we will define it, and we'll figure it out at a time of maybe the management meeting or maybe sales meeting. We can, based on the graphical report wise, we can analyze which kind of lead, or we have that kind of lead where we can focus on the closing point of view. So that is available in the system. Then sales you will manage. Apart from the CRM, we have activity management, we have campaign management, where you can do the bulk mailing, bulk messaging. That is also available. Blanket agreement is also available. Blanket agreement, if you have any kind of vendor or customer where you will buy the single product from every month, so you can tie up with the agreement, and that you will manage from the system, and system will automatically raise the invoice in every first month, or maybe first week of particular date. We will define the dates also in the system. Quotation, you will create n number of quotation from the system. You will upgrade or maybe changes the quotation, that will also log in the system. Purchase order you will create from the sales module also, as well as the purchase module also. So there is two major, some of the functionality you will cover it up maybe in different modules also. So that is also there. Then service, so majorly is into service. After sales service is there. So after sales service, like if you is into machine manufacturing, then after maybe sales, you will define or maybe create the job code for particular machine manufacturing a machine, and then you will give us services. Maybe if you are into agreement with the customer, that will also manage in the service agreement. We also give you maintenance about the machine, equipment cards, job working. In each and every module, we have the dashboard where you can easily judge your parameters based on maybe your needs or your requirement. That is there. So purchase is also there. Purchase starts from the requisition, and requisition access for each and every module. So like let's suppose if I am from sales team and I'm maybe I require laptop or any mobile, I can request from the my login only. So there is no need to change the login, or I'll directly contact to my purchase team. I will always log in from my system, and my once my boss has approved it, then it automatically goes to the purchase side. So that is also available. You will create n number of purchase quotation. GRN is also there. Multi GRN you will do it. The partial quantity if you receive from the vendor, you will just do it, and the open quantity is always shown in the open report. So that is also available. Then we have credit limit, commitment limit, that is also available. Goods return is also available. Sales return is also available. Inventory, we will manage the inventory with different type, like in inventory. So I'm talking about engineering. So you will manage your inventory through the rec wise, bin wise, warehouse wise, that you will manage from the SAP Business. And if you are into chemical or pharma, then you will manage through the batch wise. That is also available, and you can track that particular batch from the raw material to your end product, or raw material to your finished good product. Then of course QC part is also there. So if you want or planning for QC, then there is a multiple option for the QC. Start from the raw material, then you can do the QCs into the WIP process also, and after finished good is there, then you also do the QC. So there is a multiple ways where you can check your quality parameters. Then production. So again, this particular actually solution is for each and every industry. So there is no need where we can customize, or we can define the parameter for different verticals. So this particular solution comfortable for engineering also, and chemical also, maybe pharma. So we have to gather the requirement, and will move to the next slide. So any doubt about this slide, you can ask me as of now, or maybe any functionality. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then I'll move forward.
I think you can proceed because if they have any doubts, they will update in the comment.
Yeah, so I'll proceed now.
We should not take gap. That would be fair enough, I guess.
So as of now, I've explained you about the report. So we have multiple reports here: the standard report, dashboard reports. This particular solution is Excel is also included. You can do the import-export facilities also there in the export, even in PDF format, also in HTML format also. Analysis report is also there. That particular analysis report based on delivery-wise, or maybe priority-wise, system will define you the analysis and give the update to the system, or maybe the user. That is also available. Data visualization means where if you want to track your sales, or maybe purchase, production, that you can do from the data visualization. This particular solution is ready in the mobile app also, where you can check reports, your cash flows, your approval system also there, activity management system also there. So that is available in the mobile app also for iOS and for the Windows also. So this slide I've already explained about the localization. Of course, one of the India is also there. Apart from India, we have multiple country we already implemented SAP Business One. 27 languages shoots with particular product. That is also I've already explained you. Customization, so customization is now this is its system is almost 80% is ready, but sometimes customer needs some different requirement. So this system is ready for the customizable also, based on the requirement wise. We can define it, and maybe we can do inside the system or the outside the system also. So this particular solution is developed into ASP.NET, and the backend is SQL or HANA. So based on the requirement wise, we will define it or customize it according to the requirement wise. And this product is industry ready product is there. So we have multiple customer where we already implemented, like we have multiple customer engineering, we have multiple customer in pharma, chemical, service industries, project management companies. So that there is I can say that we almost 55,000 plus customer in globally we have. In India, we have around 7,000 plus customer where we already implemented SAP Business One. Scalable business. So we have the customer where turnover size 50 lakh rupees, or we have a customer where turnover size says 6,000-7,000 crore. That is also there. They are using Business One from last many years, so they are very comfortable for using this particular solution. So we'll move to the next slide. I have already explained you. So affordable, this particular solution is into premises as well as the cloud option. So we are offering you both the options. It's up to the customer where they are planning for the premises or the cloud, or maybe we have another option that is called hybrid module, where you buy the premises licenses and host it into somewhere else. So somewhere else means you have hosted in maybe Azure or Amazon or XYZ company. That is also comfortable for this solution. Minimum infrastructure required if you are planning for SQL, then it's hardly take. I'm talking about roughly around 10 users, so it hardly takes 64 GB RAM, 500 GB hard disk. This is very minimal configuration for the server point of view, and this is for the implementation side will take around 3 to 4 months. For full implementation, we are ready for the solution like any verticals. We have ready add-ons also, and simply use. I will give you the training in a 3 hour, and you will get this particular system ready within the 3 hour. Like purchase and sales process, I will teach you in a 3 hour. So that is kind of simpliness in the system. So that is very user friendly, and it's hardly take to learn 3 or 4 hours, not more than that. Then comes to the SME side. So it's multiple configurations available, easy to quick customization, because this implementation part we will take care. So there is no need to worry about the customization, that we will be integrated with multiple solution. Your requirement, that is our duty to do the job. So that is we will manage. Now I've already explained you, we have worldwide, we have around 55,000 customers. Now this number is increases. So now this is around 7,000 plus customers in India. Worldwide we have 700 partners. This partner is very important for us because it's an ecosystem partner. So if you let's suppose if you are not happy with the current partner, you want to move, you can move anytime. So that is also available. In India we have around 120 plus partners there. Add-ons I've already discussed. We have multiple add-ons with the industry wise, so that is also available. So these are some customer where the known brand is there. So one is Asian Paint with us. They are using, actually Asian Paint is using our larger product, but Asian product subsidy and the production team is using this particular solution. Then we have Sony, JCB, then we have Dura, Pidilite, India Research. So we have multiple customers in different industries. There is lots of references where we will provide you at the time of the personal meeting. So these are the vertical where we already implemented SAP Business One. Now come to the location wise. So we have each and every city, major cities, we have offices where where our team is sitting there and will implement the SAP Business One. So a roadmap about SAP Business One, we are ready for now the 10th version of SAP Business One will integrated the real-time basis data, and you can get all the report related to production, your cash flow, your sales order, that is there in a real-time basis. So we are ready for that particular support also in web, in cloud, in premises. So that is available in SAP Business One.
Rupam sir, sorry to interrupt. Customers are requesting you to please show the slides on full screen.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Please.
Now it's clear? Hello?
Yes.
same actually. You can click onto the extension. Yeah. Side. Yes, perfect.
Okay, so this is architecture. This is architecture of SAP Business One. So we'll share with you that slide also after maybe this presentation. So a couple of videos is there. Like this is a YouTube video. It's already linked for the YouTube video. You can check based on according to maybe your priority wise. So each and every module we will already give the link in YouTube. You can check from there. And if you want, we will demonstrate maybe in the next meeting or maybe in the personal meeting. So in SAP Business One, I've already described you for the infrastructure point of view. This particular solution is the core functionality we can talking about. Then it's backend or maybe the finance. It's the core functionality we can say that, because every modules or every sales purchase, finance is the backend. So its automatic system will automatically do the entry in any kind of transaction. Of course, your we can say the balance sheet or maybe your P&L touch, where we'll do the entry from the GRN, from the purchase side, and the delivery from the sales side. Otherwise, like sales quotation, purchase quotation, you can get n number of sales quotation, purchase quotation, your sales order. There is not touching any functional or maybe the financial criteria. Databases. So we for SAP Business One will give you two type of databases. One is SQL, another one is HANA. Maybe if you are interested in HANA, we'll explain you at the time of personal meeting that we can do development. This system actually SAP will provide us SDK kit, that is software development kit, and based on your requirement wise, we can develop anything whatever you require in terms of the ERP. Extendability, that is there. You can extend this product into there is no limitation actually, and you can extend if you are planning for ERP. Then this particular solution is you can think about at least next 20 years. There is no need to change this particular solution. So that kind of functionality we will provide you in SAP Business One. Integration, you can mobile app and web we will provide you. Other than that, if you are planning for any third-party tool, or if you have any third-party tool like payroll or maybe your XYZ, like truck management system or maybe Salesforce system, so that particular system we will integrate it. Even your bank account, that is also integrated with this particular solution with the proper you can say security point of view. That is also there. So partner solution, that is also there, like based on the requirement, the partner will customize or define your requirement. That is also there. Life cycle management. This particular life cycle management is for the product of the ownership. If you develop any kind of product, so there is phases where you can judge your product. So that is also available, and it's very depth level about life cycle management system will provide you. Browser access, that is available now in 10.1 also, so you can access browser level also. We also provide mobile hosting and the premises, that is also available. I skipped this slide because I have already explained you this slide. Now come to the support side. This is SAP Business One support for SAP, as from the SAP side. If anything maybe happen after maybe implemented SAP Business One, then SAP will directly support to you in terms of the support contract wise. Then SAP portal is also there. So once you buy this particular product, SAP will provide you one portal where your name is mentioned, and you can help it out from the portal, or maybe system also provide you academy where your user or maybe your management or your team will learn for the SAP Business One. That is also available in the portal. So functionality overview, you will manage your multi companies. There is no limitation about the multi company. You can add n number of databases, multi currencies. You can do any transaction from the currency point of view. Localization, I've already explained you. We have almost major countries we already implemented SAP Business One, so there is no need for you can set up, maybe in India you can buy SAP Business One, or maybe in US you are planning for another ERP. You can do the same in India also and the US also. That is also available. Multi-branch functionality is also available in India. If you have multi-branch system, then you will system is capable to manage their multi-branch system also. Intercompany integration solution is also there, where you will manage a transaction between partner-wise companies, or maybe on profit and loss management. That is also available in the location-wise, multi-currency-wise, and we also define the chart of account based on that. So it is very important for us, where we will gather the requirement. We will take this particular necessary requirement from your side. So this is the full financial management kind of screenshot is there, and in the right hand side the functionality is also there. You can read it out. So in SAP Business One, we'll always start from the functionality of the chart of account. If my chart of account is very detailed, or we can say it's very clean and crisp, then the system will be give you the proper report in a second. Will not take in a minute also. It will give you in a second. If your data may be 5 GB, 50 GB, or 500 GB, it doesn't matter. System will give you a report in 5 seconds. That is there in SAP Business One. Then of course other entry like general entries, posting, recurring posting, that is also available. Currency exchange, that is also available. Financially report, GST. This particular solution is ready for GST also, even for the EA bill also. So we are now ready with the EA bills also. Incoming payment, outgoing payment, that kind of functionality we have in finance management system. Even here the YouTube link is also there. Once we'll share with you the presentation, you will easily get all the details. Then your cost management system is also there. So we will manage cost accounting also based on your requirement wise. So you can define n number of cost centers based on the requirement. You can define the distribution rule also on this particular system. Report in terms of budgetary. You can define the budget also in the system, and you will compare it also, like last year budget versus this year budget, maybe last quarter versus this quarter. That is also there. I think hello, can you mute yourself?
Yeah, Rupam, you can carry on.
Yeah, so even you will manage the cost accounting also. So that is there. Now come to the sales opportunity. This is the CRM part where we are talking about. So in the CRM, you will get the opportunity or the inquiry. You will mention it. Based on that, system will provide you the stages report. So this is stages where we'll define, or where we qualified our leads. So this kind of graphical report you will get from the system, and even this is also the graphical report you get from the system. So this is readily available in the system. 360 view of your lead or maybe your prospect. You can get the proper feedback from your sales team. That is readily available in the system. You will manage the activity management. You will assign the lead to your sales team. That is also available. And this is the beauty of the particular product. This we call the relationship map. So in the sales, it's always from the inquiries. Once the inquiry is there, then it comes from the quotation, then sales order, delivery, invoice, then payment. So this is if anything will be stuck, system will or you will get anytime you will get the report, this particular lead or particular maybe prospect is stuck here. You will monitor it, and you will get the details from your sales team. So that is available in the system. The core functionality is there in SAP Business One. So you can manage the quotation, you will manage the sales order, item availability. So that is available in SAP Business One. Even it's a very user friendly product, where you can press at a time of whenever you are creating the sales quotation, you will just press Ctrl+G, and system will provide you your profitability also on that. But it's if you are authorized, then you can easily check. Otherwise, it hide it for the sales guy. Credit control management, that is also level in the system. So we have multiple level of credit limit for the vendor. You will define it based on the mutual agreement with the vendor that is available. After credit limit, we have one more functionality called commitment limit. Let's say example, if you give a 5 lakh credit limit to XYZ vendor, and once 5 lakh is done, then if you are mutual understanding, or if you know about this particular vendor, maybe like related to COVID, if it's not maybe due to some reason if not paid 5 lakh rupees, then there is a commitment limit. You will mention that commitment limit, and system will allow us to give that particular delivery also this particular customer vendor. So that is also available. So credit limit, commitment limit, you will manage from the system. Cash discounting is also there. So we have multiple discounting system. One is you can give the vendor wise, then you give the pricing wise, item wise, then you will give the quotation wise. That is also available in the system for the discounting point of view. And the payment wizard is also there. So payment wizard means if you normally manufacturing company do maybe every Friday or every 15 days they release the payment. So we have that functionality where you will just give an instruction to the system, and system will give you the payment wizard based or maybe payment release based on your requirement. So that is also available in the credit limit. Then purchase. So again, this relationship map you can get from any document in the system. Basically we are from as of now I'm talking about the sales and purchase. If you are going to maybe service side, that you will get the relationship map over there also. If you go for the production side, you will get the relationship map there also. So there is lots of tracking, or we can say you can track any kind of functionality from any document. So that is available. Then purchase, so of course normal functionality like creating the purchase quotation, comparison, that is available. Then receipt PO is also there, down payment is also there, credit memo, you can create credit memo, that is also available. And purchase agreement, like same, the sales agreement, if you have like sales agreement, if you buy any product from the one vendor, you will create the agreement with him, so that there is no need to create a number of purchase order. Inventory movement. So of course I already explaining you. So as of now, this example is for the engineering point of view. So you will manage your inventory from the warehouse wise. Then you can rack wise, bin wise, that is available in the system. And in the warehouse management also, it's up to the customer only, where they are planning for FIFO method or LIFO method, that is up to you. Available of commitment is also there. Minimum maximum quantities is also available. Stock movement from one unit to second unit, that is also available. Then pick and pack management functionality is also available in the system. Even we have a proper inventory cycle system. It will start from the raw material, purchasing of the raw material to the delivery. That is also available in the system. You will manage maybe multiple ways. You will manage your inventory in any kind of vertical. There is no limitation for the vertical point of view. Of course, the production. So the beauty of this particular product, now it's a mix actually. So I'll explain in the both way. So production, first of course it's starting from the bill of material. Once your bill of material created, then it will go for the production order. So production order, you will create the production order in the stages wise. So if you're planning to produce the mobile, then based on the stages you will issue the product to the shopkeeper. That is also available. Even after first, let's say if you are planning for QC, you can do the QC, and then you will move for the stage 2. So you will define n number of stages. Based on that, you will release the item from the stock. That is also available in the system. And the beauty of this particular product is the material requirement planning is also there. That system will suggest you based on your sales order, based on your delivery. System will suggest you how many quantity you have to produce based on the requirement wise. So that is also available. If your stock is not available in the product, then system will auto create the your purchase order and the production order also. So that is also available based on our requirement, that we have to define our requirement, and that you will get the report from the system. So that is available. Resource management is also available in terms of the production side. So you will manage your capacity management, like machines and all. You will define it, your laborers, maybe your supervisors. So this kind of resources you will define here, and based on the system will define you, or maybe system will give you proper report in which day which machine or maybe your worker is free, so that you can plan it for the next production. That is also available. Service, so after sales service is also available, where you can sell the product, and for AMC point of view, you will create that particular job, and system will give you the report after maybe a year if you are into you are into AMC part also. So that is also available in the SAP Business One. So project management is also there. Then project management is a part of standard SAP Business One. If you are planning for, if you're not into the project side, then I'll explain you other way. So if you're planning for maybe set up a new unit, you will create that particular unit as a project, okay, and define the stages also. And if you have set any kind of budget for this particular unit, then you can put all the entries, and based on that you will put the actual costing also. So system will give you the exact report about that particular project, so you can easily get this particular project is for the profitable or maybe the loss making project for you. So that is available in SAP Business One. For that reporting, I've already explained, we don't have any issue about the report. Inbuilt SAP Business One report is around 350 plus report is there. Maybe your vertical wise or maybe your requirement wise, if you are planning or maybe customize any report, we are ready to give you that particular report also. So that is ready to use product. So this is it, and from my side, from the product side, if you have any question or doubt, you can ask me.
All right. Thank you so much, Rupam ji. It was really very, very informative, and I can see here almost most of the organization's requirement you have covered, from sales, finance, costing, presenting, and after sales. There are many things which you have covered here. So it was really, really very informative, and I think customers would take the right benefit of this. So request you to please update your comments or update your questions or doubts onto this. This was a short recap onto SAP Business One. If we go in depth, it is really a very, very huge, I could say, or very vast software, which is having the complete solution for every problems, for every mind. Have a very good solution in this particular software. Yes, Mr. Rupam, there is a question here by Mr. Nitin Sharma. SAP Business One will integrate with Tally, correct? Please clarify. Yes.
Pardon. I've got a point. Just a minute.
SAP Business One will integrate with Tally, correct? Please clarify.
Integrate with Tally, yes.
Yes, Mr. Nitin, it can be integrated. And yes, the next question is from Bharat. Mr. Bharat. So what kind of pricing?
Deepa ma'am, I'll explain you, just give me a minute. Okay, so sir, it's integrated with Tally also, but in SAP, the financial part is also there. So there is no need to integrate with Tally. But if your requirement, if based on, if your finance team is satisfied with Tally only, then we will integrate it. So that is also available. The next question, what kind of pricing range we are look for? So sir, there is two types of actually licenses there. One is professional, second one is limited. So the professional license cost is 1,21,000 and the limited is 63. But here the AMC part is also there and the implement is also there. So if you are looking for approx 10 users, I think Bhagwati sir or maybe team will guide you for the whole project cost. So that is they will explain you maybe later on. Is
Yes,
integrated?
right.
it's integrated with other software. Yes, sir, it's integrated with other software also. Like maybe if you have any HR system or maybe any other software, it will integrate it. Only thing we need from your side that you have to give us the APP that you will provide us, and based on that we will integrate it.
Yes, to the commercial part, request the customers to please connect us. I have already updated you the email ID, contact details, as well as our YouTube channel link. So again, I'll be updating you now. So now it's the right part. Mr. Bhagwati, request you to please join us, and you can give us your introduction, and request you to please take a recap with the software.
So just one more question is the payroll part is available? No, sir, payroll part is not there. Only HR Master is there. If you're looking for the payroll part, then we have another software called HR1 that we will give you demonstration one-to-one level.
All right. Yes, Mr. Bhagwati, request you to please introduce yourself, and then we'll go proceed with questions.
Hi everyone, I am Bhagwati from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited. I am handling all those, I'm a part of the management team of the Rajlakshmi, and I am handling all the product like SAP, like Bittrex, like Tally, all those, all products. And in terms of the SAP, this is my experience कि आप कोई भी बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपका जो स्टार्टिंग है, यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर बिजनेस, यू हैव नीड अ प्री सेल्स एक्टिविटीज. तो प्री सेल्स एक्टिविटीज कैसे लीड जनरेट करना है, हाउ टू जनरेट द लीड, हाउ टू डू द मार्केटिंग, हाउ कैन यू कनेक्ट विद द पीपल्स, हाउ कैन यू कनेक्ट विद द market and multiple way. So this is a right product to connect with them. Then lead will come in your system. You will assign the lead to appropriate person, and then you can work on that. You can communicate with the customers. Then you can visit the customers, and you can do the demo, all those things. Then you can gather the requirement like purchase order, all those things you can cover. And इसके अलावा जो भी आपका प्रोसेस मैनेजमेंट है, इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ट्रेडिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ द मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ द प्रोसेसेस, all things you can cover in the SAP. Next things, in terms of the project management, yeah, you can use this product in the project management. In terms of the post sales, you have need a support ticketing like that, support solutions center like that. You can use this product for the support, and after the product warranty, guarantee, all those things you can maintain from here. So SAP is the right product for the any type of mid and small mid-scale organization, big organizations, and large organizations. So we have a experience in that things कि people are using multiple software and they are facing the challenges कि अभी एक सॉफ्टवेयर में कुछ फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं, दूसरे में पेरोल के ट्रांजैक्शंस कर रहे हैं, तीसरे में प्रोजेक्ट के ट्रांजैक्शन कर रहे हैं, चौथा प्री सेल्स के लिए एक्टिविटीज़ कर रहे हैं, मार्केटिंग के लिए अलग प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, देन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेसेस के लिए अलग यूज़ कर रहे हैं, क्यूसी के लिए एक अलग कुछ प्रोडक्ट है. इसके बाद में आफ्टर द सेल्स दे आर मेंटरिंग द ऑल द सर्विसेज पार्ट, दे आर यूजिंग डिफरेंट सॉफ्टवेयर. तो अल्टीमेटली जो सॉफ्टवेयर का जो यूटिलाइजेशन करने में जो एफर्ट एंड टाइम जाता है आपका, वो सभी टाइम आपको एक सिंगल सॉफ्टवेयर SAP आपको पूरा का पूरा एक सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म पे दे देता है. यू कैन से कि दिस इज अ कंप्लीट कोलैबोरेटेड टूल्स, दिस विल हेल्प यू कंप्लीट कोलैबोरेट योर बिजनेस इन सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म. तो इससे आपके डिसीजन मेकिंग फास्ट हो सकते हैं, इससे आप अपनी टीम को एक जगह ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हो, आप सभी की एफिशिएंसी वगैरह जान सकते हो, और आप उसके हिसाब से डिसीजन इमीडिएट कर सकते हो, और यू कैन डुप्लीकेसी वर्क आप अपने बचा सकते हो. ऑल दोस थिंग्स यू कैन कवर इन द SAP. So ultimately in my experience we are working with the SAP, we work with the many softwares and we work with the many type of customers. तो उसमें जो challenges जो customers को आ रहे थे when they start SAP, because SAP के बारे में एक सोच ये रहती है customers की. मार्केट में मैंने एक चीज़ देखी कि SAP मीन्स यार 50 लाख का सॉफ्टवेयर, यानी 25 लाख 50 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट. दिस इज नॉट रियल फैक्ट. Actually SAP B1 is a software like 50 lakhs जैसा रूपम told you कि 50 लाख का जो organization यूज कर रहा है वो भी एक लाइसेंस प्रोफेशनल लेके they can start using that and they can utilize all those things. And any software you want to customize your reports, all those things, but in terms of the SAP, there is a queries and you can use the SQL queries and you can create your own software. किसी भी organization, किसी भी management को एक ही चीज़ चाहिए होती है कि at a time में उसको सबकी सब रिपोर्ट चाहिए. आज उसने एंड ऑफ द डे कुछ सोचा है, कल सुबह उसके टेबल पर वो रिपोर्ट चाहिए. दिस इज रियली पॉसिबल इन द SAP बिकॉज queries you can write the queries, you can fetch the data, you can export the fetch the reports, all type of reports whatever you want. You can customize your field also. तो जो कस्टमाइज फील्ड है उसके रिपोर्ट भी आप फैच करके निकाल सकते हैं. So this is a very comfortable software, a very flexible software you can say कि आपके बिजनेस को आपके बिजनेस के हिसाब से आप अपने SAP को मोल्ड कर सकते हैं. तो ये जो एक्सपीरियंस हमने कई कस्टमर्स के साथ से स्टार्ट किया. जब इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात आई तो हमने बोला कि यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्मॉल 5-6 licenses you can start and then you can grow up. तो आप जब कंफर्ट होते हो then you can add the licenses. तो यहाँ से भी हम लोग स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं SAP को. We have no need to invest one time 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs. If you have need 10 licenses, 15 licenses, so you have no need to spend a lot of money once. And we have a lot of way to help you out in the terms of the commercial. तो आपको आज के डेट में जो कोविड का सिनेरियो है इसमें हमने एक चीज़ देखी कि काफ़ी लोग काफ़ी ऑफलाइन सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ कर रहे थे. व्हेन दे आर यूजिंग दैट SAP V1 and the SAP software, they are working smoothly, they are working nicely, and their people are working from home. They can access this software from browser based, they can access this software throughout a hosted server, and there is a multiple way you can buy on cloud, you can buy on the perpetual license, you can host your perpetual license in your any type of server like Amazon and whatever you can decide. तो ये सभी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी SAP दे पाती है. और SAP there is a 2 type of database, SQL and HANA is his own database जैसा आपको रूपम ने बताया. तो there is and next is you can say कि like Alto and Mercedes का डिफरेंस है, वो एक डिफरेंस है HANA database और SQL database में. तो वो भी हमने एक एक्सपीरियंस किया कस्टमर्स के साथ. तो लॉट ऑफ कस्टमर आर स्टार्ट यूजिंग. अभी वो माइंडसेट जो था कि नहीं हमने SAP मतलब बड़ा एक इन्वेस्टमेंट, वो अभी माइंडसेट नहीं रह गया. तो आप स्टार्ट करें, उससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस करें. और इफ़ यू आर नॉट इन्वेस्ट लॉट्स तो यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम क्लाउड. वी हैव ए क्लाउड ऑप्शन ऑल्सो. तो क्लाउड का जो सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस्ड लाइसेंसेस है तो वो आपके कॉस्ट को भी मिनिमाइज कर सकता है. तो इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कॉस्ट आप उसके लिए ना सोचें. और इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फंक्शनैलिटीज मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ कि whatever you want you can do in the SAP. एंड इसके अलावा एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए yes you have a SDK, you can develop your own whatever you need. And yes, we have an expert team, we are there, we can develop as per your specific need. In terms of the machine performance or machine learning or AI, BI, ये सभी चीज़ें SAP में ऑलरेडी है. तो आप अपने मशीन लर्निंग वगैरह को जो भी आप कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो, आप अपने मशीन के परफॉर्मेंस को देखना चाहते हो, आप अपने पीपल्स के परफॉर्मेंस को देखना चाहते हो, you can identify, you can justify that things, you can decide, you can make a decisions. Your decision is on fingertips because this is available on the mobile also. So all these things in single platform are Renault platform. Yes, SAP ERP is already Renault in the world. तो वो बताने की किसी को जरूरत नहीं है. और दैट इज अवेलेबल इन योर पॉकेट साइज. तो नाउ दिस इज अ रियली ग्रेट थिंग्स कि SAP ने इसमें काफ़ी कस्टमर्स के हिसाब से सोचा और SAP V1 जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको इस हिसाब से लेके आए. तो परपेचुअल लाइसेंस यू हैव ए ऑप्शन क्लाउड लाइसेंस, यू कैन यूटिलाइज योर परपेचुअल लाइसेंस एनीवेयर. So yes, people, you can start. We will share this PPT on YouTube channel. And
sir, sorry to interrupt you just a minute. So you can start this particular product from the first single professional also. So that is also available if you are planning for SAP Business One. you will buy only one licenses and you will start it. Maybe after implementation, we will calculate your licenses and will give you the final figure of that particular licenses. So there is no limitation as of now. If you are planning only one professional, you have to buy it and then you can start the particular implementation. So that is there. And I'll just explain you some couple of questions there. So just give me a minute. So payroll I have already explained. Now can we import inquiry from B2B portal? Yes, sir.
Mr. Rupam, sir, sorry to interrupt. Please request you to read out the questions such that the others also can understand the question.
Yes, sir. So the question is, can we import inquiry from the B2B portal? Yes, we will integrate with it. Like IndiaMart is one of them. But we have couple of options like Just Dial or maybe through the mobile or maybe call. You receive from the call, you receive from maybe any advertisement agency, that is also available. We will integrate with SAP Business One. The next question: all the GST report are available, including latest annual return 9. Sir, it is available. All kind of GST report is available in SAP Business One because it's globally software that is available. Like annual return 9 is also available in this particular solution. The next question is, the CRM is available in default product? Yes, we have CRM module also where as in the SAP terminology we call it opportunity, but yes, it is available from end to end. And BMR and MRP, so it is available in the system. BMR and the MRP is standard part of this particular product that is available. Tally versus SAP Business One for a simple trading company. So this is actually too tough to explain you about
question.
Yeah, so I think I'll move talk to Bhagwati. Bhagwati sir, can you please explain?
Yes, sir. This is really a question for me actually. I'm authorized person for these things. Actually, earlier we are using Tally for our another distribution businesses. Now we are using SAP. तो मैं ये सिर्फ आपको बोल सकता हूँ कि अगर मुझे अल्टो और मर्सिडीज में डिफरेंस देखना है तो वो एक डिफरेंस है. इन टर्म्स ऑफ द बिजनेसेस मैं बात करूंगा तो अगर मुझे सिंगल क्लिक में एवरी टाइम मैं एक सोच लेके आता हूँ, एवरी डे वी आर थिंकिंग इन डिफरेंट वे, और दूसरे दिन सुबह मुझे डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए वो रिपोर्ट चाहिए. Yes, sir. In SAP is possible, but in terms of the Tally is a very good software, but in terms of the Tally, that level of the scalability is not there. There is a scalability, but this is depend on again TDL and all those different way. In terms of the SAP, we can do on myself, my own, कि मैं खुद से कर सकता हूँ. तो वो जो टाइमिंग जो होता है ना, टाइम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एनी बिजनेस ओनर, एनी बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट, एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. तो ये स्केलेबिलिटी SAP में है और वी कैन यूटिलाइज, वी आर यूजिंग एंड आई एम एक्सपीरियंस्ड. तो आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट कि SAP लाइक दिस प्रोडक्ट दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ सॉल्यूशंस. या प्लीज.
All right. So yes, people, do you have any more questions? Request you to please update in the comment section. Rupam sir, you're mute.
Yeah. So you can ask us also. We are okay with it.
Yeah, sure. You can.
Yeah, better you can write. You can ask us.
Yeah. You can directly ask the questions also. All right. So as yes, the question is here. Based question. Interest calculation parameters in cash credit accounts.
Sir, that is yes, sir. This is available in the system based on the percentage wise. You will calculate it. That is there. That we have to define it in the system. Anytime you can define it. Hardly take a minute to define interest level from the cash limit or the credit card account or maybe any XYZ parameter. You will define it. That is available.
I can say that complete interest module is available. You can define your own.
R3 versus SAP Business One. Yes, sir, there is lots of differences there. So I'll explain you first R3. So sir, R3 is 3-tier product and B1 is a 2-tier product. And then R3 is a larger product, especially for enterprise sales, enterprise companies. But B1 is for the small and mid-sized industry. So like enterprise means you have many verticals like Reliance, right? They have chemicals, they have pharma, they have polymers, they have plastic, they have electronics. So if you have that kind of vertical, then you were planning for okay. So if you're talking about features, so sir, almost every feature is there, right? In module wise, every feature is there. Only the difference is you have to implementation time, budget. That is important for for SAP B1 versus SAP R3. If you're planning for R3, then if you're planning for maybe 15 or 20 licenses, your budget should be around 75 lakhs to 1 CR. But if you're talking about B1, then your budget should be around approx for 50 user approx 30 to 35 lakh or 40 lakh max to max. So there is a huge difference, because in R3 we have to we need actually the specific consultant with the module wise. But in B1, the single person can manage this particular solution because it's integrated. But in R3 we have to define it according to the requirement wise. So that is there in R3, but in B1 it's the integrated solution, it's a small version and specific for SME and mid-size industry. I hope I'm clear about your question.
Anyways, if you have any more doubts, Mr. Satish, request you to please connect us. Specifically, we can discuss onto this more.
Right. So the next question, I think Rahul sir, the first question Rahul sir. So I'll explain the Rahul sir question. Then I'll come to the Satish sir. So the e-commerce sale, do we need a separate system or it's a recorded? Okay. So sir, we already integrated with couple of e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkart, then Myntra. So we already implemented or integrated with this particular solution. You can do the direct transaction from there. So there is no need to do the duplicate entry. So that is available in the system. From the sales and the purchase point of view, system will manage automatically. Okay, now the next question, Satish sir question, web reporting and the entries there. Yes, so we have the web version also that is available. You can do the entry, you can get the report, you can check any kind of functionality from there only. So so authorized user can do that kind of entry from the web. If you are not authorized, then we can't give you the web option. So even in the system, maker checker concept is also there, authentication is also there, that is available. So based on the roles and the responsibility wise, you will define that particular solution and give that particular functionality to that particular user that is available. Any other questions?
Okay, yes, it's the right time for transformation, as there are speaker explaining you about the scenarios and about the company system management or business management. So there are many things which we are supposed to make smooth and manage the things to run our business. Specifically, if we see in this COVID-19 scenario and this pandemic situation, the work has been distracted so much. So I think this is the right time. Please take the right advantage of this particular webinar. And you can see there are many options, systems has been explained here by Mr. Rupam and Mr. Bhagwati. So let us all hold the hands and take the right advantage. And yes, Mr. Rupam, you have a question here. Request you to please remove your mute button.
Just give me a minute. Yeah. So in the cloud version, yes. So the question is, in cloud version, how safe is the data? Any specific step you take? Yeah. So sir, we hosted the cloud into Microsoft Azure. Okay, it's a trusted brand for us, and of course, data security will sign up an NDA with the customer, with Microsoft also, and will provide you proper, I think we will share with you that particular infrastructure chart to you, so you can easily get how we can save your data in terms of the cloud. That we will share with you.
And I also want to add one more thing. And in terms of the data security, yes, you can buy the perpetual license if you want. You can host your own cloud also.
Right. So that we call hybrid modules.
Yeah, this is your choice. You can hire any type of like Azure.
Sir, HANA. The next question is HANA. So, sir, yes, SAP Business One is capable. Actually, not capable. It's so I've already explained you. There is two databases. One is SQL. Another one is HANA. Right. So this HANA is a part of SAP Business One, and in HANA, it's the integrated BI tools is there. You can get the report, or you can define the user-wise dashboard in HANA. So that is available. And but for HANA, it's your server requirement is not like SQL. It's totally changed, because HANA is in computing memory where we need all higher level of configuration, and it's certified by SAP only. So yes, we have SAP Business with HANA also.
Yes, any more questions here? I think things are going very, very interesting way. So any more questions, people? Yes, please. So on to this, Rupam sir, would you like to add any other things?
No, I think I have covered it up all the points. If anything, maybe any question is there, you can contact to Bhagwati sir, or maybe or say account managers, and I will connect with him through him. So I'm okay with it.
Sure. Yes, team, this is the right time. As I said, let us take the right advantage of this scenario because we can smoothen the system such that in future, when the lockdown, the system process in a like normal way, then we can process our business in a very speedy and a normal way, I could say. So, Mr. Bhagwati, do you have anything to add over the?
Yeah, I also want to add one more thing. In terms of the this COVID scenario, and all people are free. Overall, मैं ये देख रहा हूँ कि people have a time. This is a right time to adopt any type of another software, and they can implement this टाइम एंड ये टाइम का एडवांटेज आप लोग ले सकते हैं, और आप अपने सॉफ्टवेयर को अगर आप ऐसी पे प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं तो यू कैन टेक द इनिशिएटिव, यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ मी directly one-to-one. You can connect with my team, and then we can discuss and we can execute that all those things. And in terms of the finance, yes, कोविड सिनारियो में फिनांस का भी एक बड़ा मोटा चक्कर है कि भाई आज की डेट में SAP लेना है तो फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज ऑल्सो देयर. तो इसके लिए भी हमने कुछ स्पेशल स्कीम्स वगैरह रखी है, तो वी कैन discuss and we can plan one-to-one according that whatever you have need and what your processes, what is your planning, how you want to execute. So in terms of the both things, you can take the right advantage of this right time, and you can start work on that. You can start implement on them with the small investment.
So one more question is there. I'm sorry, sir. I'll add one more point here. So yes, sir. In real estate, SAP Business One is capable to manage the inventory, the cash flow, the finance, everything you will manage from the SAP Business One. We have couple of even real estate customers also in SAP Business One. For a real estate point of view, we will demonstrate SAP Business One, in the real estate way, maybe one-to-one level. The next question is, yes, I want to understand SAP in more details, so if you can connect with me, then Satish sir, I think your account manager will connect you shortly, maybe by tomorrow or day after, and then we can demonstrate the product. And one more point I have to add here, I think continue with the Bhagwati sir. So sir, COVID, I think this is the right time to implement SAP Business One, because will take at least 2 to 3 months for implementation. And I think in all over India, its lockdown is going on. So maybe in 2 months we also gather the requirement, because if your factory or maybe your unit is start, then we need actually your time for the requirement gathering. Normally maybe your team will be busy, they don't give us a proper requirement. So I would suggest you, this is the right time. You will I think if you are planning for implement the ERP, then you can plan for it at least in a 2 or 2.5 months. We will implement and will give you that particular go live scenario maybe after maybe 31st of August, we will give you that or maybe deliver the product. So that is there from our side. Of course, the financially we will take care of the financials also. We'll give you couple of options related to, we are also aware about it, cash flow shortaging and everything. So we'll give you couple of options for the cash flow point of view also, so that we can or maybe for us and for you also, this is the good opportunity where we can shake a hand and we'll start our project. And I think Deepam has already give the detail about the contact detail, so you can contact him or maybe mail him. Then we can discuss about further, like the demo or maybe any other
specifically onto any features. If you have any doubts or any questions, also you can connect us on particular features. Also, we can explain you much and we can show you the demo also. And altogetherly, if you are interested to see the demo, we are open for it. Please do connect us for the demo as well as for any specific like clarification or any doubts onto this particular SAP Business One. And I think there's like no questions anymore. So shall we wait or let's like end up the meeting, Rupam sir and Bhagwati sir?
I think we can now leave, and maybe account team or maybe our sales team will connect them one-to-one level.
Yeah.
And then we can do the presentation if they are interested for SAP Business One.
That was. Of course, the complete team from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited is working 24/7 for the sales, solutions, customization, etc. So the team will be connecting you for the feedback also, and at that time you can even request us if you have any specific topic. If you wanted to see the next webinar, your requested topic will be presented, and at the same time you can even suggest us the topic. If you have any topic onto Tally, onto Bittrex, onto SAP Business One, onto Skill India, you can do suggest us the topic also. The more requested numbers will be presented in the next webinar. And thank you so much. Rupam sir, we do have one question, please.
Yes sir, we have auditor version also, but we need to buy it in the licenses, but we have that auditor version also in SAP Business and also the same thing. Yes sir, definitely we will share with you the presentation. I think your account manager will be share with you soon the presentation.
Surely the presentation also can be shared, and at the same time this webinar will be updated in the YouTube link also. So request you to please check onto the YouTube link also, because the questions and the answers will not be there in the presentation. That will be more productive and more helpful for you people. So yes, coming back to the end of the session, specifically, thank you so much, Rupam sir, for your valuable time in this scenario. I know you are very, very busy and very much packed. I can see whenever I call, your number is always busy, but still in that terms, you had given us the time and you had given other time to all the customers also.
Thank you very much.
A very great pack. Thank you so much. And I think the customer interest is really in a very positive way. So we are going to carry on these webinars on and on, specifically onto SAP Business One and altogetherly SAP. All right. So, and thank you so much, Mr. Bhagwati, for adding your values and representing yourself from RSPL. And thank you so much, the complete team, for taking out your time in this pandemic scenario also. And I just wish, on behalf from Rajlakshmi Solutions Private Limited, I just request you to please connect us and wish your organization grows along with this economy. And at the same time, do subscribe our channel for more events and movements happening in RSPL, like webinars and any meetings with the general customers, or any presentations given onto the product, or any contents. We are doing all these activities in this scenario to help each and every customers, as well as to support the economy. So take the right advantage of this. And I think Mr. Bhagwati and Mr. Rupam, do you have any more things to add on?
No,
so,
Deepak.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for participate in this particular webinar. And if you are really interested, you can contact your account manager. And definitely we will share with you all the detail along with this particular solution presentation also. So thank you very much from our side.
All right. Yes. And so as Mr. Rupam said here, that definitely we are going to share all the details to you, because we want the session to be more and more productive, and at the same time stay connected with us, because we are going to do these kind of webinar on and on every week, might be or twice in a week. So take the right advantage of all the webinars which is conducted by SPL. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next webinar.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you.